Hello everyone, welcome to Abhimanu IAS. My name is Shailesh Shukla and today I am again in front of you with a new hot topic, that is Santhara or the Sanlekhana system. Recently, a 3-year-old girl child from Indore who was suffering from brain tumor ended her life by using Sanlekhana system. Now it became a great issue for the public debate. Actually, Sanlekhana system means ending a life by fasting unto death. It is an age-old Jain practice. It is practiced by the religious persons or the layman who are suffering from terminal illness, famines, or the religious purposes. If we look into the Sanlekhana, we have seen in history the great Mauryan ruler Chandragupta Maurya also adopted the same method when there was famine in Magad and ended his life in Sravanbelagola in Karnataka. If we look into it, what are the methods involved in Sanlekhana? In Sanlekhana, the very first thing that the monks or the lay persons do is gradually withdraw the usage of food and water. Second is they slowly practice forgiveness and detachment, and they only take this type of decisions with spiritual maturity and religious supervision. If we look into the legal provisions in India, in 2015, Rajasthan High Court termed Sanlekhana as an illegal and equated it with suicide under Section 306 of the IPC. Later on, Supreme Court termed it as legal and recognized it as an essential religious practices or as a constitutional right under right to freedom of religion under Article 25. So, in modern day, it is legally protected as a religious practice and it is subject to consent and religious guidance. But the matter is, in modern age, how to balance between religious freedom and modern ethics. So it will continue to loom in the public debate. Now you are open for your own opinion whether Santhara or the Sanlekhana system is right or not. Thank you everyone.